Yeah. You look like you haven't slept from days. Look at your eyes. मेरी शक्ल देखो, अपनी देखो. You look like you're sleep deprived, dude.
Okay.
Badly, badly.
Hello everyone, मैं हूं सब पे भारी आकाश तिवारी and as Anam has already mentioned, I'm sleep deprived.
Hi, my name is Anam Hashim and I'm a motorcyclist. Apparently, I'm India's only professional motorcycle freestyle athlete. That's also known as stunt riding. I'll also be reviewing motorcycles and cars, but mostly motorcycles. I will get into
Okay.
journalism. Very, very curious about that. I've also started doing cross country rally racing, and there's a lot more coming from motorcycling from my end. So you guys have to wait for that.
Anam, you have given so many TED talks and you have given so many interviews, podcasts, and अब तो movie भी बन रही है. So do people still know about street bike freestyle ki nah? No.
For them, how they see is, oh, like an entertainment, stunt shows, college fest, because initially that's how started. And India में culture है ही नहीं stunt riding as a sport. तो अभी तक evolution हुआ नहीं है, but since I've been abroad and I got to know what is street bike freestyle, I am trying my best to implement it here and myself treat it as a sport rather than just an entertainment.
अगर किसी को पता चलता है, अगर कोई बोलते है कि अरे you ride and stuff, तो ऐसा कितने लोगों ने ऐसा गाना गाया है like I'm a rider, गाया. Oh shit, I knew it.
You're reminding me of that AIB का this guy Tanmay that वो अभी उसने troll बनाए थे. Oh, I was rule. I mean, like, what the hell? Rider provider, I lost it. I'm like, अरे यार.
Have people told you about this? Like कोई भी ऐसा गाता है मतलब सामने?
Friends and all थोड़ा मस्ती मजाक चलता है. Random लोग तो of course कोई करेगा नहीं, but friends मस्ती बहुत करते हैं. But हाँ, like unknown लोग who do not know about stunt riding, even stunt riding, forget street bike freestyle. मुझे like genuinely लोगों ने, पेरेंट्स ने, घर वालों ने क्या पूछा है, अरे बेटा वो सर्कस मौत का कुआं क्या? And I was like, क्या बात कर रहे हो? India में it is not still taken as a sport, so even I didn't know that it can be even, you know, made as a professional career here in India. So what I did is I started going with the college fests and stuff because I wanted to grow, and my family wasn't supporting. They left me financially. Typical Muslim parents. Thoda, I got out of the house. That itself is a big deal for me.
Yeah.
But I didn't want it to get into all of that. So I was like, I want to pursue motorcycling, and Garwale and everyone. What are you talking about? ये कोई career? What is this? So I had nothing कि मुझे किसी को wrong proof करना है, किसी को गलत. I just wanted to be happy. तब से I have been कि कुछ करके I'll sustain myself because I had to either earn money, sustain in Pune, or either take money from parents and only study. That is how my journey began back in 2030 with a bunch of riders here in Pune, a gang of people, I would say. How I got into this is like generally Facebook, social media ki I'm looking forward to get some support or help Pune riders meet up and all that. Let me know. And since that back then I was the only woman. Sab to, Arey, come, please, you're most welcome. I was like, okay, very welcoming. I went and I had met people. They were very supportive. Honestly, initially they were very, very supportive. Like I did my first show without my own bike. I performed on their bikes, and anyone who's helped me initially in my life, even though they've turned around or whatever, I don't care. But I appreciate a small help also because I know what it feels like to stand on your own feet without anybody's support, like without family, without a single rupee from anyone. So I still appreciate all those people for that. And whatever bad happened, I mean, I can't help it. It's just people who change. I used to perform stunt shows. I used to get money, and there's a certain amount divided in the group. But then suddenly my demand started increasing, and I started getting too much in demand for stunt shows because I was the only women. And then I was like, if I am in demand and I'm the only one in India, I should charge more. That became a clash with the riders I was riding, and that's when I decided to perform solo also. So 2013 say I started professional career and also started stunt shows together. My last stunt show was 2016 in CIT college in Bangalore, solo, alone. So I finished that, and ever since then, after doing a lot of research online, I was like, I have survived all these years just by performing stunt shows. I even paid for my college fee and I studied my fashion designing just by all my own money. So it's like now it's time to figure out my life and move ahead and take it as a professional career. Sport का पता चला जो काफी late पता चला. I think अभी इंडिया में फिर भी पता नहीं है. Initial years I was juggling like how we are raised. हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं पढ़ाई करो, 12th करो, डिग्री लो. भाई कुछ भी हो जिंदगी में एक डिग्री तो चाहिए है. कुछ हाथ पैर टूट गया, whatever XYZ. This is what my parents used to say. कम से कम एक डिग्री रहेगी कहीं पे, कम से कम नौकरी तो कर लेगी. So that
Yeah.
was in my head. Everybody, we all are raised like that. तो वो back of the mind था. तो 2 साल I tried studying like econ try किया, फिर fashion designing try किया. I'm like मजा नहीं आ रहा, मजा नहीं आ रहा. And then I'm like just leave it. मेरे से नहीं होने वाला है. Not that I'm not a bright student. I'm a science student with a lot of knowledge and stuff.
Exactly.
And
Science, then BCom, and then fashion design. And I don't think so. You have completed something. Have you completed?
I wanted to do engineering so badly, I swear. but my Masi's friend जो engineering खत्म करके just join कर रहे थे, you know what salary they were earning? 7,000, 10,000. That broke my heart. I'm like, इतना पैसा डालो, इतना engineering करो, what are you getting? This, I'd rather do stunts, earn more than this, and still be happy. I said, nahi karna boss. And then eventually, I was just sustaining and doing some part-time job to sustain. And eventually, looking at my writing and all that thing, that is when my life-changing experience happened. So this was an offer by TVS, and they were looking for a
Yeah.
woman who can write. So that happened, and मुझे लद्दाख खारदुंगला का spelling छोड़ के I had never ever seen. What is this? I just know कि भाई Ladakh is bikers paradise and people die to go to Ladakh. It's heaven. I said okay, let me search. I just googled. मैंने photo देखा. I said I am in. मेरे को लेके चलो. That was just out of passion, and I knew I'm getting some money, but I was not very. I mean, initially we as a very passionate people, passionate लोगों का वही problem होता है. वो दिल से ज़्यादा सोचते हैं दिमाग से कम.
Yep.
So I was like, yeah, let's just do it. I don't care about the money. But honestly, keeping money aside, when I took this opportunity and I did this whole trip, like those 18 days of my life, it was a life changing ride for me. Like I transformed as a person. I mean, it's a very different feeling just going out there riding solo, even though I had backup vehicles, but मेरे साथ two-wheeler पे कोई नहीं था.
Yeah, exactly.
It was a
There's
very
a lot of different thoughts coming in at that time. पीछे bike पे कोई नहीं है, ठीक है? So whatever thoughts are coming is just you and those thoughts and the road.
Exactly. And I was going through a phase where 2 साल हो गया था, 2.5 साल हो गया था पूना में, and men in the field थोड़ा got insecure कि यार इसको demand में आ रहा है. And I cannot deny the fact that I am a woman. I cannot deny the fact that guys who are doing this for 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, I cannot be as skilled as them because it takes time to develop a skill set of any human being in any kind of
Yeah.
it started becoming a problem with the men and that understanding, and later on the people who helped initially started bullying me like itna zyada that I think I was kind of getting mentally very low, and I found this as an escape so that I do not get into depression because of all these stupid people. So I was like, friends hain the, like just move on with life, people change. And my basic mentality in life is like, you are born in this world, घर वालों ने पैदा किया है, but it's not their responsibility like to raise you as a person, to evolve. You have to grow, you have to go outside, step outside your comfort zone and see the world. You cannot blame them कि अरे घर वालों ने निकलने नहीं दिया घर से and all that crap. It's all just excuses. So I
Oh.
went out, explored this, and ever since I started becoming an explorer on wheels, because that was my first experience on a scooter on any kind of terrain. Because पहले मैं बहुत I was like a horse ऐसे, and I only used to see motorcycle, and I only used to see motorcycle वो भी stunt bikes. Normal bike समझता था, but I only used to perceive everything as stunt bike, stunt bike, stunt bike. But when I rode this scooter thing, I realized that I enjoy anything on two wheel. It's just not about motorcycles for me. And off-roading say then I fell in love. There were places where there are jumps and stuff. I was naturally doing jumps on scooter, and I was like so much in my own zone, and I just loved the feeling of being on the scooter, even though लोग बोलते हैं क्या स्कूटी चला रही है मजा नहीं आता, but trust me, forget riding a bike, riding a scooter on those tough terrain was another level of challenge.
Yeah.
There were times where left hand, right hand, you're using both the brakes, हाथ कांप जाते, like you don't have energy to put brakes, and you still have to understand you need to keep going because it's all BRO. So either there's a truck passing on, or either you're at the cliff. You cannot
Yeah.
manage to pass and stand. So I started pushing myself mentally and physically. That has been the best experience of my life, even now. Like,
You said because you're a girl, because you're a woman, and there was only one woman in this field, street bike freestyle, you got attention very fast, and it could help you grow. Okay. And at
yeah, it
this,
did.
yeah, and at the same time, जैसा बोला कि see, those were the friends which helped you in the beginning, but थोड़ा time बाद it started getting toxic. ठीक है. So क्या होता है
Very
कि
tough.
यहाँ पे दो सिचुएशन होते हैं. एक कि the person who is getting higher, like जो बहुत ज्यादा popular and famous हो रहा है, वो ज्यादा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है, एंड देन ही फॉरगेट्स और ही और शी फॉरगेट्स देयर फ्रेंड्स, एंड थोड़ा बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है. एंड सेकंड ये होता है कि इट गेट्स टॉक्सिक बिकॉज दे हैम्पर योर ग्रोथ. हाउ डिड यू रियलाइज इट इज टॉक्सिक एंड यू नीड टू लीव दैट एनवायरनमेंट?
It took me a while, honestly, because we as humans, हम दूसरे बोलते हैं, like I had my मासी to tell me, यार these kids are, I think, not good for you, and I was like, नहीं 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 नहीं, ये तो मेरे friends है, ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं. So we have guidance and like guardian. She was my guardian, so she was telling me ऐसा है वैसा है, and I was like, अरे नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मासी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो थोड़ा है but ठीक है, चल रहा है, कोई नहीं. बाद में how I started realizing is कि I am so passionate about my work कि I cannot take 1% of things going here and there, because I'm putting in my whole life, efforts and everything into it. And then slowly I started noticing that they started talking about finances कि just because you're a woman, you're not going to get more money. I said, I understand that fact, but I am a woman, that's why I'm getting more audience, that's why brand wants me more than you guys, and you need to accept that fact. It is not my problem, I'm the only woman doing it in India. It will be everywhere, because worldwide, doing women who are pursuing street bike freestyle, they not everyone can make it to a professional level, and even I won't say ki I am a very very high level ka professional women in this field.
Yeah.
Because India level pe jao, then you need to go on Asian level, then you need to go on worldwide level. I've just gone to the Asian level, I haven't yet been there on the worldwide platform.
There's a
So
freestyle artist, Sara. I saw videos. Damn.
is my idol.
Like
She
crazy.
talked to me. That's exactly what I want to do. But what happens in India is हमारे पास बाइक्स अच्छी नहीं है यार. आधी डिजाइन व्हीली मारो तो गाड़ी it's like right and left. I'm like, oh my god, balance out, bro. My bike. I mean, I talk to my bike. It's that crazy. It gets that crazy. I'm like, अरे भगवान, so mat karo kuch. And the bikes are super uncomfortable, and they're not the best bikes to perform stunts, honestly. But हमको करना है तो करना है. That is how it is. And when I went to Indonesia, मैंने notice किया कि वहाँ की bikes बहुत बहुत better है. मतलब जो चीज इंडिया में मैं रह के 7-8 महीने में कर पा रही थी, I realized in a month I drastically changed, and my skill set went from here to here just because I had a better bike.
So why couldn't you get a new bike? Because you're the only woman. You could have easily asked to brands and stuff, and GoPro is also there with you. Obviously GoPro bikes नहीं करता, but
GoPro abhi aaya. So I'll tell you initially how I figured it out was like it became toxic when I started realizing like brands are coming to me, brands are coming into me, and they want me to start some brand association. They want me to give me money for promotion, brand promotion, digital marketing back then. And what I realized is my own team people, they started going behind my back, and they started filling ears of the main guy of the brand and all that. Ki, अरे she's a show off, अरे she's going to leave, अरे क्या भरोसा करो, लड़की है, इकलौती है, आएगी जाएगी and all that stuff, which I got to know some time back. Obviously, I got to know this some time back. And but I knew there's something fishy, that I'm like, my contract is there and everything is there, but why the brand isn't associating with me later on after having a contract? Like that kind of stuff happened with me, and I'm like, a brand will never ghost you. A brand, if a brand has approached you, they're not going to ghost you. And the only thing I could figure out is those friends. So when that happened, I was like, ठीक है. So basically, just because I was alone, and I know that being alone, I cannot stand up for all these issues एक साथ. So I worked a little smartly. I said, पहले तो इन लोगों को लाइफ से हटाओ, so that I surround myself with people who want me to grow and who are helping. I mean, helping in the sense moral support is enough. I don't need any money from anyone to do my things.
Yeah.
So I started changing my friend circle in the sense riding me. Honestly, it's very difficult to find a decent enough friend in a guy who knows how to wheelie in my field. They're
Ooh.
damn skilled. They're damn skilled. I won't deny the fact. Like we Indian as a whole, men, they're damn skilled. They're more skilled than some of the international riders as well. But where is your mentality? When will you learn to support and grow, helping each other?
So
So
you're
whole
telling me the people who you ride with, मतलब जिनके साथ ride किया था, they are
attitude,
damn skilled.
they are skilled. I won't deny the fact they are skilled. Like when it
Yeah.
comes to skill set is judged on another level. But when it comes to you as a person, that's a different thing. So I will still say they are still very skilled. I mean, actually, some of the people they don't even ride anymore. They've left riding. Most of it, I would say. Yeah, most of it. The guys in Pune I used to ride with, no bike, nothing, zero. They've left motorcycling by now. When I'm talking about these things,
So how you
mentally.
decided to take them out of your life, okay, and you started
And
this
I'll
circle.
tell you how second thing mentally started happening with me. Mentally, what happened ki usually when I'm going and riding at a stunt spot, it's just me and my bike, and I need to, connect with the bike and have whatever feeling I have with the bike. When they started nagging me, अरे तुमसे नहीं होगा, अरे 100 बार गिरती रहती है फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है, गाड़ी तोड़े पड़ी नहीं हो रहा है, and I will not deny the fact I was a very slow learner. Initial 2 साल of stunt riding, I was not born from my mother's womb with these skills, damn dude. Like, I had to slog my ass, crash multiple times, learn how to pick my bike myself, fix my bike, learn how to general, what kind of tire pressure I should be using to a level where right now I can, little bit work on the engine. So it took me time to understand that. And first of all, physically, it was very demanding. I cannot deny the fact, and I will still agree men are more physically stronger than women. So I had to struggle, work out on my body to gain some strength. So they continuously started nagging me for fitness, for motorcycle skills, for followers, for Facebook, for brands, for stunt shows. I was like, बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है बॉस, तुम लोग को जो करना है करो, मैं जा रही हूँ. So they started running behind me. मैं भाग रही थी आगे आगे and they're like following me. Oh my god, creepy guys.
It's actually our problem because कैसा हो जाता है कि some people help us and we think that they are friends and they have helped us a lot. But कैसा हो जाता है कि we take that positive thing and हम लोग बाकी सारा negative चीज ignore कर
Yeah,
देते हैं.
yeah,
And
correct.
जब
I did that too initially. Starting में मैंने थोड़ा time किया ये, but I think I was a quick learner to figure things out because मैं पूना में रह रही थी. I was staying alone. And I am very stubborn. I don't listen to people. And since I left home, मेरे अंदर ये चीज है कि I am the bloody boss of my life.
okay.
So, and I am just confident in whatever I'm doing because I know whatever I'm doing, I'm not doing something illegal or I'm not doing something to harm anyone. So that's why I'm just confident. And skill wise, I'm not at all overconfident. अभी तो इतना time से I've not done wheelies. I'm so scared. भूल ना जाऊँ, but भूलूंगी तो नहीं. I know. That trap situation is very bad, huh? Very bad. Trust me. The, how you see me right now, so positive and all that, that I am. But every side has, like, every coin has two sides. So this is one side, and the other side is so bad that you can ask my boyfriend only how bad it gets.
Dude, मैं तो वो सोच
He's
रहा था बॉयफ्रेंड बनाने के टाइम भी भाई सोचना पड़ा होगा ना कि यार मतलब
oh,
shit.
way too much. I had so much things in my life because, see, I'm a person who left my family for my own happiness, for my own freedom. Not because I hate them or I don't like them because they didn't let me do things. I understand society है, उनको नहीं समझता. Left in the sense, मतलब touch में नहीं है, and we just sometime contact. And I'm financially doing my own thing. Even things get worse financially also, and there are some times when I need help and I cannot take help from them, and it gets super frustrating. I'm like, मैं जाऊं तो जाऊं कहाँ, घर वाले कुछ करने नहीं वाले हैं, घर तो छोड़ दिया है, घर वालों ने मुझे and मैंने उनको. And then I feel like breaking my head on the wall. And then I'm like, I feel trapped. I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? And then the only thing I can do is look out for work so that I can get money. Because especially during this lockdown, oh my god, don't ask how I have sustained this March to now. It's been one hell of an experience, not just as a human, but also in a relationship. Oh my god.
Oh, I've been seeing your WhatsApp stories.
That mindset, honestly, no one can help you with that. And with me, what happens is the second side of me, which is not positive, which is very irritating. I get super irritating. I get blocked again like this. सिर्फ negative दिखता है, positive दिखता ही नहीं है. This is again the second side of me. Or then I start overthinking and I start overanalyzing and I start thinking of कि क्या क्या हो सकता है, वो भी सब negative assumptions.
Oh shit.
And I just screw my head so badly, even if the situation is not that bad. And I think सभी लोग करते होंगे ये, कुछ मैं तो exceptional हूँ नहीं.
So
I
how do
think
you
we all do it.
how do you get up from that situation? Like मेरा ऐसा कि I start watching cartoons. मेरा ऐसा मतलब I start watching cartoons. Like मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है because you know this is a lonely process. If you're doing something on your own, it's a very lonely process. Very very lonely process. So मेरा ऐसा कि if I'm lost, I start watching cartoons.
मेरे साथ I'll tell you over the time how I've overcome these things is कि पहले तो मैं motorcycling को I used to take it as a getaway, which I realized it's wrong. I'm taking it as a getaway. मतलब कुछ भी हुआ, I'm not feeling fine, I'll go on the bike. Again, थोड़ा सा ही practice I'll do wheelies and other, हाँ I'm fine. But then I realized that I'm feeding my mind to stay calm with motorcycling. This is wrong. It's a wrong approach to life. And I got over this job since my Masi passed away, and there was a phase like 2 years back, 2018, my Masi passed away. I had my bike, I was riding for myself, and I was not doing shows, but I was in a situation where I had to take a choice. Stunt riding is not growing in India, and I do not want to do shows. So either I need to take up something else in motorcycling, but I'm not leaving my stunt riding behind. That is something that people get confused. Ki, Arey, stunt riding chhod rahi hai. But why will I leave? These are my basic bare skills. I'm going to always do it. So that situation was very bad for me. Matlab, I was in a phase where no one can really imagine. The most positive side that people can see, it was just the opposite side. I can be such a pain at times. I know, because I'm too bold, then I'm too stubborn. And then I'm like, suno meri baat, suno, hear me out. And then everyone has their life and they don't listen. And I'm like I lose it.
Oh
Yeah.
damn shit.
Till I came to a point where I had to plan कि okay, now I want to enter cross country rally racing. मेरा क्या scope है and how good am I at my skills and what I can achieve.
Okay, and we lost it again. Shit. It has never ever happened. ठीक है, it has.
Now you know why I'm like this in life, because I've learned shit loads of patience.
Okay. I'm sorry, but yeah.